In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Basecamp and Slack together. To get started, open your web browser and go to Zapier. Once you are on your Zapier homepage, take a moment to confirm you are signed into the correct workspace, since your connections and automations will be saved there. Next, find and click App Connections. This is the area where Zapier stores all the apps you have authorized, like Basecamp and Slack. From here, click Add Connection. You may see this option in more than one place on the page, depending on your layout, but they all lead to the same connection flow. Go ahead and click Add Connection again if Zapier prompts you through the connection window. When the app list appears, use the search field and begin typing until you can select Basecamp. Click Basecamp to choose it. If Zapier shows Basecamp more than once, select the standard Basecamp option you use for your account. After you choose Basecamp, click Add Connection. Zapier will open an authorization screen. When you see the prompt, click Yes, Continue to Basecamp. This sends you to Basecamp authorization through the official Basecamp login and permissions page. On the Basecamp permission screen, click Yes, I will allow access. This step is important because it grants Zapier permission to read and send the information needed for your automation. After you approve access, you will be brought back to Zapier, where the connection can be finalized. Click Create to confirm and save that new Basecamp connection. Now that Basecamp is connected, move to the Zaps section in Zapier. This is where you build the actual workflow that links Basecamp and Slack. Click Zaps to open the editor or your list of automations. Finally, click into the search field in the Zapier editor and type the app name you need next. This is where you will begin adding Slack to the workflow and selecting the specific trigger and action you want, using the connected accounts you just set up. That covers everything you need to know.